Today we are taking you on a digital journey to a country where a little boy sitting in a simple wooden boat won the hearts of millions. Yes, we're talking about Indonesia and its now famous boat boy, whose smile, struggle and viral photo captured the world's attention. That image reflects the true spirit of Indonesia, simple, beautiful and full of heart. Indonesia's full name is the Republic of Indonesia, which shows it's a democratic country. The currency here is called the Indonesian rupiah or IDR. To give you an idea, one Pakistani rupee is around 55 rupiah. One Indian rupee is nearly 190 rupiah. One US dollar is almost 16,000 rupiah. Despite this, the inflation rate in Indonesia is just about 3.5%, which is quite low compared to many Asian countries. Indonesia's population is over 280 million, making it the world's largest Muslim country with more than 230 million Muslims. And with a literacy rate of about 95%, Indonesia is clearly making great progress in education.
Indonesia has a rich and ancient history. Long ago, powerful kingdoms like Sriwijaya and Majapahit ruled these islands. This was a golden time for culture, art and trade. But in the 1600s, European colonial powers arrived. First the British, then the Dutch, who ruled Indonesia for nearly 300 years, calling it the Dutch East Indies. During World War II, in 1942, Japan defeated the Dutch and took over. People hoped for freedom, but Japanese rule turned out to be just as harsh. But during this time, the independence movement grew stronger. On 17th August 1945, Sukarno and Muhammad Hatta declared Indonesia's independence. The Dutch tried to regain control, leading to a 4-year war. But finally, in 1949, Indonesia became completely free. Today, 17th August is celebrated as Hari Kemerdekaan, Indonesia's Independence Day, full of patriotism and pride.
Now let's talk about sports. Indonesia's most loved sport is badminton. The country has produced Olympic-level champions like Taufik Hidayat and Susi Susanti, who are famous around the world. Football, soccer is also hugely popular. Every city has its own teams and the local leagues are full of passion and energy. One of the most exciting parts of Indonesia's maritime culture is the dragon boat race called Perahu Naga. These are long boats with rowers, a drummer and a steersman, all moving in perfect rhythm. A video of this sea culture truly touched the world, showing a small boy dancing joyfully on the edge of a tiny wooden boat in the middle of the sea, cheering people on in his own peaceful way. That video went viral and introduced the world to the real, joyful face of Indonesia. People are now calling him the Aura Farming Boat Kid and recreating the moment for fun all over the internet. Let's explore some of Indonesia's most famous places. Bali, the most popular and beautiful island, known for beaches, green rice fields and spiritual temples. It's a favorite for honeymooners and adventure lovers alike, thanks to its resorts, surfing spots and lively nightlife. Borobudur, the world's largest Buddhist temple built in the 9th century, located on Java Island. It has over 2,600 stone carvings and 500 Buddha statues, a true spiritual wonder. Komodo Island, home to the world's largest lizards, the Komodo dragons. These rare creatures live only here. Trekking and wildlife safaris make this island perfect for adventurers. Mount Bromo, an active volcano in East Java. Its smoky crater and surrounding desert landscape look like another planet. Lake Toba is the world's largest volcanic lake, located in Sumatra. Formed after a massive volcanic eruption, it even has an island in the middle, Samosir Island. It's peaceful, quiet, and ideal for nature lovers. Now let's talk about Indonesia's major cities. Jakarta, the capital city and biggest urban area. It's the heart of business, politics, and modern life. Full of skyscrapers, traffic, and vibrant energy. Yogyakarta, known as the cultural heart of Indonesia, famous for temples, art, and traditional performances. It's also close to World Heritage sites like Borobudur and Prambanan. Bandung, often called the Paris of Java, known for fashion, education, and cool mountain weather. It's a mix of shopping malls, universities, and hill stations. Surabaya is the second largest city located in East Java. It's an industrial and port hub, blending historical charm with modern life. And of course, food is a big part of Indonesia's charm.
Nasi goreng, the national dish, it's spicy fried rice with egg and chicken. From street stalls to five-star hotels, you'll find it everywhere. Satay, grilled meat skewers, usually chicken or lamb served with peanut sauce. It's the top choice at parties and festivals. Gudeg, a sweet and savory dish made from jackfruit, coconut milk and spices. It's Yogyakarta's signature dish. Bakso, soft meatballs in spicy broth made from beef or chicken. You'll find this tasty snack on almost every street corner, and students especially love it. So friends, that was a small tour of amazing Indonesia, where every city has a story and every dish brings a new flavor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Time TV. See you in the next video. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.